Hi everyone, it's me Issaplease, and today we are gonna be unboxing the new or my new Huawei Y9. Yay! The reason why we're having an unboxing today and why I have a new phone is because yesterday I was driving. Long story short, my entire bag was stolen from the car because kasalanan ko naman, nilagay ko siya sa passenger seat, which, you know, obviously I wasn't supposed to do, but I made a mistake and now we are paying the consequences of it. But if there's anything good that came out of it, I am now a proud Huawei Y9 user, and I got free speakers, and I'm also a Globe postpaid person. I now have to pay more bills in life, but it's all good. So today what we're gonna be doing is obviously unboxing this, and I will be giving my first impressions on this product. Actually, sa dami-dami na phones na choices from Globe, I got the 1299 plan, which comes with a free phone. And actually, maraming different brands. They had like the Samsung, the Huawei, what else was it? Oppo's, walang iPhones obviously. Under 299 that came with the free cell phone. There was no cash outs needed. Those are basically the choices, and out of all of them, Paulo, obviously who's the techie one between the two of us, told me to get this one because Paulo was like, you know, Huawei is a very good brand. It's pretty affordable, and like, you know, you kind of get your money's worth out of it. So we ended up choosing this one, and I'm so happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. The ROM is 64 GB. The RAM is 4 GB. The color is sapphire blue, and it's dual SIM, and it has a free case.
SD card. Okay. Slot.
Why do they feel the need to say that it's printed with soy ink? It's kind of cool though. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! Here it is. Ooh. It's weird that I would own a blue phone though. I'm just happy that I have a phone. I don't care what the color is. But now that I think about it, it's kind of weird that I got a blue one. So I don't really know what the colors that they offer for this phone are, but at the time my choices were sapphire blue and black. Hello. It's 6.5 inches full HD plus, but the LCD resolution is 2340 by 110 at 1080. I don't know what that means. And then I have 4 AI cameras. So it's not the Leica one, like the original one that I got. And then there's 4000 mAh. It's not Ma. And then there's 64 GB of ROM. And then it says typical value for mAh, whatever. So if this is my hand, this is kind of what it feels or what it looks like on my hand. It's quite big. So the bottom of this, guys, is it's not the C type. It's the ano pa siya? It's the mini, the old Android. Here are the volume buttons at the side and the power button at the side, and then sa kabilang side there aren't any buttons on this side. I feel like ito yung una that will go. It's gonna get pahacked. So for the SIM cards, you have a micro SIM, a nano SIM, so you can put 2 SIM cards in it plus your SD card, right? There's like a dedicated space for your SD cards, which we think is kind of awesome. Because like for other phones, you would have to choose whether you would want the dual SIM or if you would want to put an SD card. With this phone, I get the option to do everything, which is quite amazing. Yeah, it comes with a screen protector already. It's not tempered glass though. Inside the box, aside from the cell phone, are the adapter and the cord and a headset. Ito lang. It comes with a free case, which you already knew. So we're gonna turn on the unit. It's vibrating. Okay guys, so the phone is finally on, and I am like just checking out the apps. It's so smart marketing wise that when you turn on the phone, it already has Lazada, Booking.co or com, and Lord's Mobile. So it's like kaya tayo hindi kong paduwaon in app advisor.
Just uninstall most of it.
I know, I will. It has that beautification thing on, like I can tell because your cheeks are so smooth. I'm so beautiful. It says, then once you take the picture, it says same as preview, mirror on or mirror off. It does have like certain different features for the camera.
Is this same with mommy's?
No, it's a Huawei.
Oh.
There's Pro Panorama. Oh, it has like AR lens. It's like the Snapchat filters. So my Pro Panorama AR lens, light painting, HDR, time-lapse filter, and watermark. I actually don't want to try them out today. So Paulo and I are exploring the area, and I know this place pretty well because my siblings used to go to school. Hey guys, so we are currently at Radisson Blu checking out their new business suite. Dave, unsa imong feeling after the cave tour?
Second time, so I feel indifferent.
Indifferent. Right now we're at Cafe Terraza, and this is Paulo's cafe. I just like to come here and hang out and eat. And the reason why we're really here is to say hi to the Mama Cup. Because I want to download all my apps, but I will insert the pictures, the sample pictures of it in the video. Let's check the facial recognition. Okay, so I'm gonna try and open it. So it's locked. We're gonna open it, scan, recognizing face, and then it says slide to open. So I have to show my face and then slide it. Let's try naman the button, my fingerprint. Chinik! So it's on. So far so good. Let's try the speakers. Okay naman siya. It sounds pretty good. Hi guys, so it is already 8:05 today, and I've roughly been using this phone for about 4 hours already. Actually, sa totoo lang, I really had to do so much research and just like really familiarize myself with this phone. I'm currently charging, which is why the lighting is so bad in this spot. Kanina nagtanong si Paulo, my fiance, sa akin. He was asking me like what I don't like about this phone, and if I had to compare it to an iPhone, what is like the biggest thing that I don't like about this phone? And my answer was, the only thing that I don't really like about this phone, if I'm being completely honest, is I do not like the emojis. That's the only thing that I really can't get with, or like I feel like really bothers me, are the emojis. Kasi parang gustong-gusto ko yung mga emojis sa iPhone just because they look so pretty, and they look like very premium emojis. I know that's such a stupid thing to notice. Honestly, the Google emojis are very tacky looking for me. Like you can't really see the emotions or whatever. It's just an emoji, but that's the one thing that I do not like the most. Sorry if maingay, like the boys are playing outside. So I already set up my phone. And the thing that I really like about this is that you can change it as much as you want. It's new for me because I haven't had it in a while. This phone costs 13,000 pesos, and it's really impressive, guys, promise. In terms of speed, well, I don't know if it kind of lags or not yet because it hasn't really lagged, but I've been using it for only like 4 hours. But the battery life of this thing is amazing. Like, parang nakuha ko siya kanina, it wasn't on full battery, but then now, like 4 hours later, it's like 7%, and then that's when I started to notice na naglalag siya. Syempre naman because like I'm running out of juice, so maglalag talaga siya. This takes longer to charge as compared to my old phone. Pero yung sabi ni Paulo is that's because it is 4,000 mAh. You didn't like it the way I said it the last time. mAh or mAh. So that's probably why it takes a little bit longer to charge. So I'm good with that. But the battery life so far has been amazing. I really do like it. What I like about this phone also is that the back screen, ito yung touch finger pad, is actually customizable with certain actions. So I was able to set it up kanina. Like if you were to press down, scroll down, it will bring out your panel, which is basically like all your pending stuff. But I don't know why it's not coming out on mine right now. I probably don't have any notifications. And then you can like swipe it, double tap it para ma-erase lahat ng information on your panel, and then you can swipe up and then it goes back up. I turned that off, but you can also like answer your phone with it and stuff, so it's just really amazing. Parang it's not just like a finger thing. So what I noticed is you can also do this. Oh, there. See, I'm not touching my phone, but I'm swiping it and you can see like the pictures. So that's quite amazing. And then there are other things that you can do as well. It has motion control options here, which is a part of your settings. I turned on the flip to mute, so kung may tumawag sa akin and I don't want to answer it, I can just flip the phone and then nobody can hear it. Like, it turns on mute. It has a pickup volume, which I disabled, but you can, when someone calls, you can reduce the volume for timers and your wake up device. So pag ginanon mo siya, the volume immediately goes down. If you want to answer the phone, all you need to do is just raise it, and then you can have it answer calls. So pag someone rings and you go like that, then automatically it'll answer your call. Or you can make calls and just do that. Like if you're looking at your phone book and then you go like that, it'll immediately call. Or if you go like this, it automatically goes into your speaker, which I turned on. And then if your phone is connected to a Bluetooth headset, then it'll automatically turn off, like it'll disconnect from your Bluetooth. Honestly, I don't feel like I want to go back to Apple anymore. Like my sister and I were talking kanina and she's like, you know what, honestly, Apple, like it's nice to have an Apple phone if you're used to it. Like I will honestly miss my AirDrop and like just the emojis and like it's very, very fast. But you know what, this is pretty good as well. It's really, really, really good. And I love that you can customize it to no end. Like me and Paulo were talking kanina and he's like, so you obviously like your phone because you've been on it for 4 hours straight. I'm like, yes, I love it. I am just so intrigued by the possibilities of customizing and everything. Like I've never been so in-depthly interested and intrigued by a cell phone in a very long time. Because one thing that I also really like about this phone, which I think is pretty darn amazing, is that it has a ride mode, which is when you ride your motorcycle. It has a party mode, which kind of lets you sync in like different songs or playlists or something like that. And I also really like that it comes with Hi Care and Tips, which is an app that Huawei provides on their phones already. So it's like customer service. It's a customer service app on your phone. So it tells you where the nearest service centers are, send for repair, spare parts price, smart diagnosis, maintenance mode. It's just like, you know, it's an app that is provided for you on your phone so that if you have any issues, you can just access that. Ooh. I kind of noticed though that parang when I'm typing, it's not as fast. Like I'd be typing and I'm like, what are the letters that are coming out? And that's basically like the only thing that I kind of had an issue with. Doesn't really bother me that much. Paulo and I were able to change the keyboard on it, the keypad, because originally it was like a Swift keypad, but then we switched to the Google keypad. I've only played Bacon so far, which is like a stupid game, but I love it. It's paano ba to? You basically just have to like put bacon on certain things, like 17. The number is 17, so that's the goal. I feel like it's not as heavy, so I downloaded Order Up, which is a very, very heavy game. I used to play this before to see if ano ba talaga yung performance niya. So far, so good. No major complaints about it. But for the most part, I'm pretty impressed by it. I'm gonna end this video right now, and I hope that you guys like it. If there's anything that you want to know about it, let me know in the comment section below. I hope that you like this video. Please do like, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. I am Issaplease. If you want me to do more tech reviews, which I hope I'm improving at, let me know as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!